Hi everyone, I wanted to show you I've done some more work on my mini-me. What I've done is I've made her a blue jumper, like what I would wear, like a baggy jumper with leggings. These leggings are some I'd already made ages ago. They're a bit tatty, but they're alright, they'll do the job. I've just got to sort out the hems again on the legs. The hems have dropped, so I'll sort that out. See, one's dropped and that one's kind of okay. So I will sort that out. I just wanted to get her dressed first. I'm just going to fold that back in and glue it back in. But anyway, let's not worry about that for now. So yeah, she's got a blue jumper on, like what I would wear. I've got a jumper in this colour, and I always wear leggings, so she's got an outfit to match. And then I was thinking about how to do the red in the hair like I normally have. Lately I've had blue, but at the minute it's brown because the red went really weird and was like neon and glowing. I could glow in the dark basically, so I've just chucked a load of brown over my hair for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a look in my box of spares for some red. And I've got this doll with some red. I know I've got some of the longer red hair somewhere. I'm just going to try and find it. I've got a box of all the dolls I need to like repair or I'm using for spares. No? Okay. Yeah, the one I'm thinking of, her hair's not quite the same. So I'm going to see what I can do with this, because this doll's getting a reroute anyway. Have I popped her head off before? No. I'm just debating, do I just give her the purple that I've got? Let's try this first. Okay. If this doesn't work, it doesn't matter, I will get something else. So I found my rerouting tool. Let's pop it, let's get her head off actually. Right, okay. By the way, this trick to getting brats' heads off is when they're on, let's put this one back on. When they're on, push them down on the neck so they've got fat head look. Give it, count to about 10. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And then the heads pop off. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove that piece of hair that's been annoying me for a while. And let's see what I can do with this. Obviously I'll have to put some glue in her head. Normally I like to work with hair that's longer than this because then I can, what do you call it? I can tie it. I prefer to do the knot method where you tie the end and then pull it through, but can't do that. I'm going to take off a bit of her hair at the front. Kind of need a bit of space to work with. There is a little section here where someone's cut her hair anyway, so I think I'll go for that bit. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to scratch it. So if I push that through with my reroute tool. With brats' heads, they are quite hard, but they are doable with a reroute tool. You just need to lean on a table so you can give it a bit of welly. Oh, this is fiddly, it's so small. Yeah. Do it that way so it goes that way. Fiddly. Let's trim these ends so they're the same. And like I said before, I'm not rerouting this whole doll because this is the length I'm growing my hair to anyway. Try and push everything into that hole. Fortunately, the hole at the front is, well, fortunately or unfortunately, depending on which way you look at it, the hole at the front is fairly big, so I'm hoping I can get like a decent tuft of hair in here without having to really sort of reroute it tons, you know what I mean? Just going to try and tuck those ends in, which is a bit of a pain. So what I'm doing is where the little individual strands are, I'm trying to loop them in my tool and then push them in. I might have to go back to my knot method and find some longer hair. That's not too bad. See if I can get a bit more in the front section. You have to... too hard. Let's try again. Sometimes you have to give it a bit of welly. Once you get started, it works. And obviously this is the easier way of doing it, because obviously I can't dye the hair because it's not real hair, so it's not like I can use my hair dye on it. If I could bleach the front and re-dye it I would, but I can't. I think there are ways of dyeing some of the doll hairs, but some types of the hair, but I'm not faffing with that. Getting there. Just got to be careful, like I can't brush it or anything until I've glued it in place. So let's just carry on. I'm going to put a bit more going back. I want to make that a bit thicker. So I'm going to carry on doing the exact same thing I've just been doing, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so now I have put the piece of hair in and then used some fabric glue to hold that in place, and it's dried. She looks like this. So she's got on a baggy blue jumper, which is pretty much my signature outfit, and black leggings and slippers, of course. Obviously these don't match the slippers I do actually own, which I like fluffy boot style ones, which are these. So I will try and make her some little slippers at some point. But yep, she's got my signature red streak. I realised as well I forgot to put my mole on, because I've got a mole on the left side of my face, so I've put that on her as well. So yeah, that's the progress so far on my mini-me. I've just got to put a bit of hairspray in place to keep holding these little stray hairs down. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. All I've got to do for her now, by the way, is I need to make her a black hoodie somehow. Never made a hoodie in my life. No idea how I'm going to do it. But yeah, she needs a black hoodie, and then she's got all her outfit. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.